Hey guys, what's up? Got unboxing from Apex Gun Parts. Holding it upside down because I don't want y'all to see my address and all that stuff on the back of it, because I know you little creepers want to see. So, creepy people. You break, American. Postal Service needs to make easier boxes to open. And just by doing that, I know somebody's going to comment, cut away from yourself. I'm a professional. I'm a professional with knives. There we go. Got some stuff in here. Paper stuff. Thank you for using Priority Mail Service. What's this? What is this here? Nothing there. Here. What is this? Seriously, what is this? Here we go. One of the upper hand guards here. Here we go. Upper hand guard number 2. So this is the fore and this is the aft one. Aft means rear for those of you who are not familiar with boats. Here we go. This one looks a little surplus. This one looks a little used. 2 different colors of wood. I don't really care. It's got the rivets in it. Everything grooved here. It's cool. I got those. I'll shove those in top of the box here. Got something else here. Alright. What do we got here? So, front sight hood here, and this thing's rusty. Have to take care of that. Sling or barrel band here. Another barrel band with sling mount. Front sight. Spoiler. This is what would go on the buttstock. There it is. Yeah. Nice. This looks like all rusty and greasy and crap. Alright. Alright. Double check everything here. Spoiler, yes. Blade front sight, yes. Front barrel band, one of these 2, yes. Front hand guard, yes. Front sight guard, yes. Rear, this is the rear barrel band and the rear hand guard, yes. So looks like I got everything. Gonna be getting another box from another company. Based out of Pennsylvania, called eSarco Inc. And I should be getting stuff from them. This is just some of the stuff I need. But, yeah, so pretty cool stuff here. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And, gotta figure out how to keep these from falling. See you guys later.